Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create our pros and cons generator template from scratch. This is a very useful tool, and if you want to know what it does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with the tool calling agent. This component will act as the heart of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that can analyze and compile a list of pros and cons using the tools at its disposal. The agent comes equipped with the latest GPT model, so we don't have to add the LLM manually. But if you want to change the LLM model, you do have the option to do that. Next, let's add the Google Search Retriever so that our chatbot has full access to Google. After that, we should add the URL retriever so the agent can extract relevant data from the Google searches to include in the generated pros and cons list. Now, we should give the agent an effective prompt, which is in the description and also shown on screen. Once you're done writing the prompt, we can finally connect our agent to the output and start using the chatbot. That's all! Our pros and cons generator is ready for use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching.